Join me as I take on the challenge of speeding up my Windows 10 to see just how fast I can make it run. If you're like many Windows 10 users, you probably experienced the frustration of a slow computer. You know, the kind of lag that makes everyday tasks feel like a chore. I'm talking about slow boot times, sluggish application performance, and the general feeling that your computer is holding you back. These issues aren't just minor annoyances, they can significantly impact your productivity. Imagine being ready to dive into work, only to wait what feels like an eternity for your computer to start up. Or picture this, you're in the middle of a critical project and your applications start to freeze or lag. It's not just frustrating, it can also be costly in terms of time and stress. The good news is that there are several quick and actionable tips that can help you enhance the speed and performance of your Windows 10. One effective method is to disable unnecessary startup programs. You see, many applications automatically start when you boot up your computer, consuming valuable resources. By disabling them, you can free up memory and processing power. Optimizing your storage is another crucial step. This involves freeing up disk space and using tools like the disk cleanup utility to remove temporary files and system files you no longer need. Adjusting visual effects can also make a big difference. Sometimes the fancy visuals come at the cost of performance. By simplifying your visual settings, you can allocate more resources to where they are needed. One of the simplest yet most effective tips is to use the built in Windows 10 tool called the Performance Monitor. This tool allows you to monitor your system's performance in real time, identifying which processes are consuming the most resources. With this information, you can make informed decisions about which applications to close or optimize. The most effective tip that can lead to a significant performance boost is to upgrade your RAM or replace your hard drive with a solid state drive or SSD. This is because an SSD can significantly improve loading times and overall system responsiveness. Upgrading your RAM can also make a huge difference, especially if you're running multiple applications simultaneously. Upgrading to an SSD or adding more RAM is surprisingly straightforward and offers immediate benefits. You don't need to be a tech expert to do it, and the impact on your computer's performance is almost instant. In conclusion, speeding up your Windows 10 is easier than you might think. By disabling unnecessary programs, optimizing your storage, adjusting visual effects, and making a few hardware upgrades, you can significantly enhance your computer's performance. If you've got your own tips for speeding up Windows 10, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and check out my related videos on optimizing Windows for even more tips and tricks.